Hey, welcome back. If you're new, please consider subscribing to the channel. I'm going to be showing how the market went. I'm also going to be sharing how to pinch cosmos to get more blooms, and also I'm going to share a secret with you to how to get longer flower stems. So let's get into the video. Please hit that like button and let's enjoy.
Hey guys, so it's definitely a beautiful sunny day here in North Texas, and we have a lot of new blooms. We've been doing a lot of planting. I'm feeling good this week. I wanted to show you beautiful larkspur that I've grown. Yes, we already have blooms, and as I walk the garden, so I did a rose garden tour, and I have so many more blooms to show you guys. So be on the lookout for another garden tour coming up because we have a lot of flowers. So I wanted to show you guys, I have larkspur here. Not sure if this is capturing on camera, but here's my hip. It's it's taller than my hip actually. So we have one of our patches of larkspur, and you guys, we already have blooms. So this was one of the first. The very first bloom that we had was a pink larkspur, and we have a couple of different patches, different successions in the garden of larkspur. And I planted these, you guys, in the winter. So if people are thinking, oh, you can't grow flowers in the winter, just proved you guys wrong. So this is a beautiful larkspur, and the stem was super long, but I did trim it. And so we have some more coming in here, and I'm going to show you guys what else I planted in the winter.
Our mornings are super beautiful here in Peace Paradise, and I wanted to share my bird friends with you guys. I really hope you guys enjoy watching the birds. I really enjoy watching them in the morning, and I've built up a relationship with them, so it's super cute to see them in the morning. Now I'm going to show you a secret to our bachelor's buttons and getting longer stems.
The secret, you guys, if you want your longer stems, so this is also to my waist. See if I can get how long the stem really is. It goes all the way down to the ground. The trick and tip to getting your longer stems, really, you guys, is planting very early in the fall, your annuals. So here we have our cosmos that we've grown together, that we've sown early, and so as you can see, I already see some budding up, and that is the result of being planted too early. So that is a lesson learned there. Especially we've been having, although it's been warm, it's been cloudy day, so they haven't been getting enough light, so which causes them to flower early. So two, we can correct this by pinching them, and that's just going to cause them to put out more shoots. So as you can see, here's the bud right here, and I'm just going to pinch right in between here. Okay, so I'm just going to do that, and that is a quick, easy way to pinch your cosmos. So let's do another one here. Here's our bud, and I'm going to, let me separate these. Okay, so see right there, there's a new set of leaves. I'm gonna pinch right there. Let's do another one just so you can see from a different angle. Okay, here's our bud. Right in between here, there's another set of leaves. I'm gonna pinch. All right, and then in between the rows here, so I'm gonna clean this out. So in between our rows here, I'm gonna start our new succession. So right in between here. And yes, I'm gonna be planting them really densely and closely together to try to help prevent the growth of weeds. So hope this helps you guys. After harvesting a few flowers, now I'm off to the market. Hey guys, so I'm finally all set up after a rough night. So I have 3 out of 6 people in my household are not feeling well, and last night was really rough. But I got the booth set up, and so I'm gonna let you guys take a look. So we have reached the end of the market, and so I have only these flowers left. So it's been an amazing market again. We did not sell out today, but we're hoping tomorrow. It's Sunday morning, and hubby and I are harvesting a few flowers for the market. We're only about 2 weeks into spring here in Zone 8, and I just can't get over the fact that we have blooms and this larkspur is super tall. So I wanted to conclude this video with some of the arrangements that our customers made. Stay tuned for our next video. I'm going to be doing a spring wedding, and you get to see the bouquet and the harvest from the garden. And I hope you enjoyed this video. Please consider subscribing, and in the end, I'm always wishing you peace, love, and flowers.